trunk I wore for my members only. You guys need to see me inside this. It was so nice. So, oh yeah, let's go back. I miss this. Let's go back. Let's go back. And then. So I was using my normal hair. They have white one, and the white one is more expensive. So what if, so that we can have this stomach shining when we're clapping? Okay, let's see. How did I do it yesterday? People that dance, I saw there's this lady, she danced with her stomach. She really tried, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's clap so I can. I've not had anything since morning. I have potato to eat, so I can go and eat. Noise as you want. I guess my hands still hurt. I'm going to go to the hospital. Can you imagine? I can't even clap for long. I don't know what's the problem. I used to clap for a very long time before I stopped to breathe. But now I couldn't. Okay, let's try. Let's say 1 minute straight. Go. Slowly, I can do for a long time. Very nice. So now I want to clap like a little bit, not too much. Just to make my stomach shine. My hand is still paining here. I gotta remove the slippers. Let's see. I miss this sound. I miss this sound. Oh my god, guys, I have no clap for, oh no, I think like 2 months. No, I want my stomach to shake. Okay, let's clap now. Let's focus. 1 minute clap, finish. 1 minute. I'll be clapping for my members only. This skirt is not my size anymore. It's pulling up too much. Nice clothes because I thought I'm not gonna do anything today, but as I was sitting down I decided to go for a walk, so I end up reaching there and I just want to go and check if they have new collections, and they do have new collections, trust me. There is a white one, very very expensive, I couldn't afford it. It's around, that reminds me, where's my card? So what if I massage finish and then I do belly dancing? I do belly dancing and then I clap. Yeah, that's what I do. I don't have to post 2 different videos. I just post one that I massage my stomach, cream on my guys, I'm sweating so bad. Guys, this belly dancing is not gonna work, so let's just clap and go. But before we clap, let's massage a little bit. The remaining 10 seconds. I try. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all. That's all for today.